I knew that in coming to Korea, that it would be a requirement for me to taste some of the cultural delicacies of the country. Up until now, I've kind of been resilient to the whole idea of trying something new, something out of my comfort zone. But I'll share this with you.
It's chewy, man. It's just like meat, but it's just really chewy. Kind of.
What's that?
That's octopus.
That is octopus.
That's octopus.
Let me see
That's
my.
gonna go into CJ's
That's
mouth.
octopus.
This is that
Okay. This would be CJ's first time eating octopus. What is it?
Chukumi.
That's not octopus.
Chukumi.
I thought that was octopus. It's not.
Maybe squid cousin.
A squid cousin. Squid's cousin, okay.
Any final words, CJ?
If anybody back home ever calls me picky with the things that I eat ever again,
Okay, CJ, look, I'm gonna do this, okay?
look at his.
Okay, Mark, show him how it's done, because I can only get one of you at a time.
Alright, watch. Take the piece in your chopsticks, you look at it.
I got my fingers.
Hail Mary. Do it.
Alright. What? Alright.
It's not as bad as you think, man. It's just chewy. Don't taste it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Not bad.
What shade of red is that exactly, CJ? I'm sorry the camera's shaking, but I'm laughing too hard.
CJ's not a fan of octopus.